As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So, I'm looking at these two portable gas grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Traveler. Both seem decent, but I'm trying to figure out which is better for me. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. The char-broil is definitely the more budget-friendly option at around $148, whereas the Weber Traveler is significantly pricier at $449. That's a big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, price is a factor, but I also want something that performs well. What about cooking space?
The char-broil has 200 square inches of cooking surface, which is enough for about 8 burgers. The Weber is larger, fitting around 15 burgers. So if you're often cooking for a bigger group, the Weber has an advantage.
Okay, good to know. And what about power? I want something that heats up quickly.
The Weber Traveler boasts 12,000 BTUs, whereas the char-broil has 9,500 BTUs. The Weber should heat up quicker and potentially maintain higher temperatures, depending on the ambient weather, of course.
Got it. Portability is key for me, too. Are they both easy to move around?
The char-broil is lighter, weighing in at 20 pounds, and it has carry handles. The Weber is heavier at 32 pounds, but it has an attached cart with wheels, making it easy to move.
That's interesting. So the char-broil is lighter to carry, but the Weber has wheels. What about features?
The Weber comes with tool hooks, a side table, and a built-in thermometer. The char-broil also has a temperature gauge on the lid and a push-button ignition. The Weber uses a standard 1-pound propane tank, but can use an adapter for 20 pounds tanks. The char-broil can also use a 20 pounds tank with an adapter.
Okay, so, it seems like the Weber has more bells and whistles, but the char-broil is more basic and affordable.
Exactly. The Weber is a premium portable grill with more cooking space and features. The char-broil is a solid, no-frills option that's easier on the wallet and lighter to carry. It really depends on your budget and what you prioritize in a portable grill.
Okay, thanks. That helps a lot. I think I have a better idea of what to look for now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.